In your book, let's go ahead and turn to page 301. We'll start Work Together 10-3. So we just finished our sales journal, and now we're going to come over and grab our next form, which is the cash receipts journal. So get your book out to page 301, and this is the form that you need. So if we're looking at the very first transaction, it says, using the current year, journalize the following transactions on page 9 of the cash receipts journal. So source documents are going to be R for receipt and TS for terminal summary. So TS, terminal summary, is just an electronic means of keeping track of all the cash and credit card sales, so it's computerized. First transaction, September 3rd. You received cash on account from Lenny Stafford covering sales invoice 216, $2,189.36 less 2% discount. The source document R264 for the receipt. So we'll come over here to our cash receipts journal, and it is as of September the 3rd. In the title would go the name of the customer that we received the cash from. So that would be Lenny Stafford. Our document number is receipt 264. And of course, now we have our columns. So once again, this is a special journal, the cash receipts journal. We have several columns again. We have the general debit and credit, accounts receivable credit, sales credit, sales tax payable credit, sales discount debit, and cash debit. So it's a little bit different. And I believe it was page 9 of our cash receipts journal. So now, Lenny Stafford, receipt number 264, and we're receiving cash from an amount that he owed. So he had charged something once from us, and now he's giving us some money. He's paying us back. So how much is he paying us back? According to your transaction, it says he's paying back $2,189.36. So that goes in the accounts receivable credit column, $2,189.36. It's a credit because accounts receivable is an asset. So if a customer owes you money, it's a debit. Since he's paying us money, it will be a credit. So now we have one credit, no debits. So we're going to fill out our columns. Now, he's writing us a check, and it's saying that he gets a 2% discount. So we're going to take $2,189 and 36 cents, and we're going to multiply it by 2%. Whoops. Times 2%. And we get $43.79. So we'll round it up. So his sales discount is $43.79. How much is he actually writing us a check for? This is the amount he originally owed. He gets this much of a discount, so we're going to subtract these two. And it will be $2,145.57. All right, so now we're ready for the next one. Is it? Okay, so your next transaction is recorded cash and credit card sales, $5,326.30, plus sales tax of $298.15. Okay, a total of $56.24.45. And then you'll see the source document is TS 38. So we just said that your company keeps track of cash and credit card sales, which includes debit cards, electronically, and that's where the TS comes from. So this time, here's what we're going to do. This will be different. So it's on the 6th. In your account title column, all we're doing is placing a check mark. That's understood that it's cash and credit card sales. That's what you're keeping track of. The source document was TS 38, and we're going to go ahead and put a check mark in the check mark column. Now, what was the amount of the total sales they took in? And really what that means is on the 6th, after they've emptied out their cash registers at the very end of the day, this is the total amount of money that they took in. So we're going to separate the amount that was strictly the sale of the merchandise and then the amount that was the tax collected. So the sale of the merchandise was $5,000 on sales credit, $5,326.30. We collected $298.15 in sales tax. So it's $298.15. Altogether, what was the amount collected for the day's sales? It would be the sum of these two. So if I add these two, that gives me a total of $5,624.45. And that's all we're doing. So cash and credit card sales, you automatically just get a check mark here and a check mark here. Now, on the 8th, we received cash on account from Venice Cafe, covering sales invoice 218 for $390.34, less 2% discount. So on the 8th, we'll put Venice Cafe. It is receipt number 265. And it says that the original invoice was $390.34. So that's the total amount they originally owed us. So we'll put $390.34 in accounts receivable credit. Now, they paid within the discount period, so they received a 2% discount. So if we multiply $390.34 times 2%, I'm going to get $7.81. The total amount that would have been the amount of the check that I received would have been this amount in accounts receivable credit, the $390.34, minus the $7.81. So the amount of the check that they sent me was $3,800. I think that's, hold on a second. Okay, so when I messed up. So anyway, $390.34 minus $7.81. So your new balance would be $382.53. I couldn't even read my own handwriting. There you go. All right. So that is a way of paying, showing that a customer is paying off a bill that they owed. So our next one on the 20th says recorded cash and credit card sales again. So it's just like the one we finished earlier. $56.24.45 plus tax, total $59.45.04. So it's the same thing as on the 6th. So once again, we'll put a check mark in the check mark column. On the account title, a check mark in post reference because we're not posting this individually. And then our sales credit, the amount we actually took in was $5,600. Oops, sorry, here I go again. It goes underneath the sales credit. It is $5,642.45. That's the sale itself. The tax we collected was $320.59. And the, I forgot this over here, the source document is TS-39. So now, altogether, the cash that we received, we're going to add these two together, and it's $5,945.04. So as you can see, the only time that we're ever going to use this cash receipts journal is if you receive cash. Only if, we'll say use, only if you receive cash. That's the only time you're using this journal. So it's either for cash and credit card sales, which includes debit cards, or a customer who's paying off part of their bill or all of their bill. All right. So now we're on the 28th. Received cash on account from Washington City Schools covering sales invoice 199 for $1509.45. So we received cash on account. So it's going to be on the 28th, Washington City Schools. Our source document is receipt 266. And then according to that, they notice, or we're covering $1509.45. So in our accounts receivable credit, it would be $1509.45 here. The amount of cash that we received is $1,509.45. And that is all that Work Together 10.3 asks us to do. All we were to do was to journalize the transactions.